Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. I wanted to show some of the yarn I recently got at Herrschners. They had a really good sale. And yeah, some of it's already sold out, and even when I was buying, I wasn't able to get all the colorways I wanted, but hey, I was able to get something. So that was nice. Yeah, they've been having different percentage off sales or discounted shipping sales, so I guess you just have to check back to see when they have a good sale. So I wanted to say welcome to all my watchers, to those who are new and returning watchers, as well as returning subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thanks to my members for your support, for your continued support in coming to watch this video. If you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can also join if you wish. And anyways, so yes, they have the Karen spice cakes. Herrschner's is online. I know some people have been asking for different alternatives to places to shop at now that here in the US, now that their local Joann's is, they're closing a lot of stores and things like that. And they filed for bankruptcy twice. So anyways, so they had a 2-pack of these Karen spice cakes at Herrschner's on sale for, I believe it's $8.98, and I have their Smart Savings Club membership if you sign up for that. I'm not affiliated with Herrschner's or any yarn company. Just saying, if you decide to sign up for that, it's $25 a year and you get 10% off all your purchases, and they allow you to stack coupons. So if you have a coupon, you still get your 10% off. And it has a lot of other different perks too. So back to the yarn. They have this really pretty pattern on the label, which is a knit pattern. They say you need 5 balls to make. This yarn is nice and soft. It's really pretty. It's red and it has stripes, like gentle stripes of like yellow and purple in there, and a little bit of orange. It's categorized as a super bulky 6-weight yarn. This colorway is called Cherry Sunshine. They recommend a US 11 size 8mm, I think that's an 8, knitting needles, or a 8mm US L11 crochet hook. It says do not iron, machine washable and dryable. It's 100% acrylic. Their net weight is 8 ounces or 227 grams. Each cake comes with 239 yards or 218 meters. And that's what I just read to you. So I think that's a great price. I think these probably go for, I don't know, $12 or $13 at Michael's. I'm not sure if they even have them still at Michael's. So you can do your research on the internet. If you find better prices, just let me know. So yeah, so I was trying not to buy new yarn this year, but I failed. It was a really good sale. This is the colorway Silver Steel. It's a nice, beautiful mix of light and darker grays. I love the grays. I love the grays. So yeah, the specifications are the same. And then the third color I got is this one. What's this one called? This one is called Ginger Snap. I really like it. It's really pretty. It's like a different mix of browns with some gentle striping of like a sort of like a soft pink mauve color mixed in there in the striping, or just a lighter shade of itself. So that's really pretty. So yeah, this is what the 3 of them look like together, in case you want to blend those together. Then I saw that they had some of the Bernat blanket yarns on sale, not all of them. They had this tie-dye-ish that I've never used before, but it looks very cool. And it's nice and soft like Bernat blanket yarn, same thickness. They have a free pattern on the label that's called the Big Splash Crochet Blanket. They say it takes 7 balls and uses a US 11 L 8mm crochet hook, and that's free on the Yarnspirations website, and they also have it on this label. I guess like right there in the label, they don't tell you the colorway they used. So yeah, this is made in China. The colorway is called Wispy White, which is a tan with a very white color. It's classified as a 6 super bulky weight yarn. I would agree with that, and they recommend a US 11 8mm knitting needles to use, or a US L11 8mm crochet hook to use. To, you know, do not iron, machine washable and dryable, 100% polyester yarn, and its net weight is 10.5 ounces or 300 grams, and that comes to 220 yards or 201 meters. Yeah, and that's the blanket. They call it Big Splash. And then this is what I read to you guys. And I know not everybody likes using the blanket yarn, but I do. It makes the blankets kind of really fast, so it's nice. I was able to get this second colorway, a good amount of skeins of this for, you know, larger blanket project. This one's called Golden Rays, and it's more of a yellow with that very pretty white. Keep thinking chickens would be nice with that yellow, maybe. And I was able to get, because I wasn't able to get the other colors that I wanted in this, but this is the Bernat Blanket Ombre yarn. So yeah, that's kind of purpley with like a mauve color, and then a darker rose color, and then a lighter purple. And these are the same specifications as the other one, 220 yards for the cake, and it's, you know, a 6 bulky yarn. It's very similar to the other one in thickness and weight, so you can interchange them if you want, if you like how the colors look. And I guess here it looks like they transitioned it with a knot to the different color. I don't know if they did that with all of their color transitions in here. Because when I used the ombre, I used the perfect phasing, so the perfect phasing yarn didn't do that with their color changes most of the time. So yeah, is that everything? No, that is not everything. It was right next to me, and I'm like, ooh. So I was able to get some scarfy yarn. Oh, I forgot to say the price for these. So it's the 2 packs of the blanket Bernat Ombre yarn for $10.97 or 98 cents or something like that. I don't think they have it anymore at that price. I think the only ones they have left are at more expensive prices. You know, like I said, I ordered this a few weeks ago, or last week. And these, if they still have it, the one that I paid for, the sale price was a 2-pack for $10.98. So they had other ones that were more expensive, but I went for the cheaper one. And then the scarfy yarn was the 3-pack for $13.47, but I paid less. So this is really nice. I think I've shown projects that I've made with this yarn here on the channel that were from different patterns. This colorway is called Wine Truffle, and I'm going to keep it in here so that it stays nice. If you want to see more pictures, you could see them in Lion Brand or do a web search, but it's kind of like a wine color with a brown, like a brownish red mixed in. And let me read you, this has wool in it, so if those of you who are allergic to wool, so you know, each skein is 5.3 ounces or 150 grams. It comes 312 yards for each skein, or 285 meters. It's 78% acrylic and 22% wool. It's nice and soft. It's a roving type yarn, so if you're not used to that type of yarn, which is like 1 ply or 2, like really close together, it's 1 ply, it's roving, so it'll go from thick to thin. And it's made in India. It's machine wash, cool, lay flat to dry. Yeah, I would not stick this in a dryer. And they categorize it as a number 5 weight bulky yarn recommended knitting needle size is a 9 or a 5.5 millimeter, and they recommend a K or a 10.5, which is a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. And again, this colorway is called Wine Truffle. So that's what I just read to you guys. I don't know if they still have this colorway there. They had like 1 or 2 other colorways I wasn't sure about, like an ice gold and then a clay and something, or some blue yellow color. This is a really pretty color, Iron Umber. Crystal from Bago de Crochet has a really pretty blouse that she's made with this yarn. She has a lot of other patterns and free video tutorials on her YouTube channel that use this yarn, just in case if you don't know what to do with it. The same with the blanket yarn, even though she doesn't like blanket yarn a lot. She has a really pretty blanket and on there that I can remember, at least off the top of my head. So yeah, it's like a nice pretty dark brown with like almost black mixed in there, or very, very, very dark brown that looks black. So yeah, so again, this one's Iron Umber, and the specifications are the same as that other one. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, that was everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much if you're already subscribed for subscribing, and if not, you know, and if you like the content, please click like and subscribe, and thank you to my members. So, and I'm almost done with the scarf that I'm working on, so I'm pretty excited about that. So I showed it in my last video that I was testing the pattern for that. So have a great day or great night wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.